Meet Aitana Lopez. So she is an Instagram influencer. She currently has 300,000 followers and she is making $10,000 per month. But the most shocking thing is she doesn't even exist. She is not a real person. She's completely AI generated. So some computer nerd behind the scenes is making $10,000 per month from an AI generated influencer. Now, usually being an influencer, it's a lot of work. You need a camera, you need, decent lighting, you need an on-air neon sign. You don't need that. I just got that. And you need to have good looks. There's a lot you need to do. But today I want to walk through creating a profitable influencer brand in 10 minutes without leaving this desk. That's my goal. AI generated. And again, my goal for these videos is not that I'm going to have 1,000 businesses out there. Okay. Honestly, I don't have time. I asked ChatGPT, what's my biggest flaw? And it says, I don't focus enough. So I don't put these videos out to show, hey, I'm starting 1,000 businesses. I can't do that. But my goal is I want you to think through, pick one of these, do one of these things. If you put hard work into one of these things, you could start your own business. And I just want to give you the tools and show you how it could be done. Maybe you could be the next Aitana Lopez. So before we build Pixel Patty, or whatever we're going to call her, or him, Pixel Pat, let me know in the comments what influencer you would want to create. But you have to kind of pick, what is your influencer going to do? What are they going to be about? You can't just be an influencer. You have to be an influencer towards something. I do AI, side hustles, things like that. What is our influencer? I'm going to call him Pixel Pat for now. So first tool, I want to use Pippy Ads to figure out what's trending right now. What is successful? What kind of content is out there that people are going to want to see? So in the PipiAds dashboard, I can go look at TikTok shop ads. And here you can see the winning products of the day on TikTok. This kind of gives us an idea of what people are liking to watch right now. So exoskeleton armor, that would be kind of cool. I could probably spend all day just watching these TikTok ads. If you go to ad search, here are some of the ads that are doing well. Skincare products, that's always a win. That's something I'd lean towards too. It might be fun to do something that I couldn't do myself. I probably couldn't do beauty or skincare products. I can filter by, I can see e-commerce. Let's see e-commerce. Crocs. Could I be a Croc influencer? Let me go look at games real quick. These mobile games, super addictive. You could be an influencer who is promoting one of these games, spokesperson for one of these games. That'd be fun. But you can see how many impressions it have, how many days it's been running. So this kind of tells me what type of content my AI influencer is going to need to do to get views and potentially sales. I don't have to guess. The data's all here. So PipiAds is 50% off on their annual plan. So I'll leave a link down below for that. So we have some idea of what we want our influencer to do. I'm going to say like beauty and skincare. And we'll go with Pixel Patty. Okay, I'll make a woman skincare influencer. So then we're going to jump over to Visual GPT to actually generate our avatar, generate our influencer. So Visual GPT is like a photographer, makeup artist, wardrobe stylist, kind of all in one. This is going to create our character. All right, so I'm going to use the AI image editor to generate this, and you can use Nano Banana. They have all these different models. I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro. So, and then I use Gemini to help put together the prompt. But let's do hyper realistic close-up portrait of a 24-year-old female lifestyle influencer, natural makeup, messy bun hairstyle, wearing a basic white tank top, soft cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, shot on 35mm lens. And I think for Instagram, 4x5 is probably what's right. We could generate more if we need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate this. All right, here we go. We're gonna call her Anya. Okay, so I'm gonna download a picture of Anya. This is our influencer. Say hello. I'm not actually going with Patty. That's not a great influencer name. Now, one problem when you generate influencers like this usually is that when you generate them in the next photo, they don't look quite the same. But Visual GPT fixes this. They have a AI clothes changer. So I hope this image works okay. I might need to generate more with like one of her body perhaps, but we'll see how this works. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna do again, I got this from Gemini. And again, the image might not work. I might need to regenerate an image with more of her body. We're kind of learning on the fly here, but we'll do charcoal gray, tailored power suit with a crisp white button up shirt, professional, confident look. All right, let's generate that. Okay, so here's what we got. That is pretty amazing. Can definitely tell it's the same person, but just in a different outfit. So we will go ahead and take that one. Then let's do oversized black leather biker jacket over a vintage graphic band t-shirt. Cool, trendy, street wear aesthetic. I'm actually learning from Gemini how I could be more fashionable. You tired of the t-shirts? Let me know in the comments. What should I wear in my next video? So, and it's good to use, although I spelled trendy wrong. That's one thing I like about AI. You can misspell things. It knows what I meant. But you give it very specific direction of what you're looking for. And if you don't get out quite what you're looking for, change the prompt. You know, and sometimes on these image generators, I don't want to mess around too much on the image generator because you're using credits. But you can work with ChatGPT or Gemini or something else to like, hey, help me with this prompt. This is what came out. This is what I was looking for. What would I need to do to the prompt to get what I'm looking for? AI knows how to talk to AI very well. The more specific your prompt is, the more stable the result. All right, very good. This is one of the best ones that I've used, honestly. That's very good. Okay, so we got those 3 images. Now let's try putting her in a different place. Let's go to background remover. Actually, background changer. Let's go to that. So let's take one of these images. Let's do the one of her in the leather jacket here. And then let's change luxury patio in Santorini, Greece. I don't know what that is. Gemini helped me with this. Overlooking white buildings and the blue sea during a golden hour sunset. That sounds nice. Warm, soft lighting striking the subject. So this will hopefully take, right now she's in kind of a house there. This will put her into Santorini, Greece. That was my Greek accent. Okay, that only took about like 5 seconds. But there's shit, that looks really good. I think that looks great. So we'll download that one. So we've got some good images now. What did we say we were calling her? Anya. Anya. I should probably pick a name I can remember. Anya is our new influencer. And we got some good images of her. Great. Okay, so really we have the beginnings of an Instagram profile right here. We've got some images of her. We got some images of her, you know, traveling the world. And that's great, but pictures are not enough. You got to do some video too. We got to get a TikTok going for her as well. Oh, we're going to choose an effect. Let's have her tie a ponytail. That's kind of a way to just look a little bit more real. And this is on Sora, so that's the model we're going to use. Start frame, we'll do her in that leather jacket in Greece. And then there's a whole bunch of models, and you kind of just have to balance how much you want to spend with how good it's going to look. But I'm using Sora 2, and this tells me it's going to be for one video, one 4-second video. Let's put the resolution up. So 1080, it's 50. And then let's make it 8 seconds long. So that's 100 credits. So for $15 a month, I could get 6 of these. So tying a ponytail, Anya in Greece. Let's go ahead and generate this video. All right, so go ahead and generate. While we're waiting for this will probably take a few minutes. The video generation takes a lot longer than image stuff, but I do want to try out some of their other tools. Let's try out their face swap. So first, let's find a high quality stock photo of a woman in a luxury setting. Let's use this one. We'll go with this. Right. Honestly, finding stock photos is harder than AI generating images. So we got this image of this woman drinking coffee. Let's go ahead and upload Anya. And this is going to be tough because she's looking off in an angle, and we'll see how that does with this. And there is Anya drinking coffee, looking good. We'll go ahead and save this one too. I should have just used one of Akool's images. They've got a lot of cool images that you can use here. Let's try a face swap on a video. See how that goes. Let me try this one. Okay, we went with this one. Let's use our original classic model. Don't need to re-age, and let's generate this. Okay, and we're back to the video we generated of Anya doing her ponytail. Man, this looks great, honestly. This is the best that I've probably seen AI video generation. And it's our model there. This is great. Could use this for TikTok. Here's Anya with the face swap on this video. So again, I could take any of these videos. Akool has a lot of cool templates and put Anya's face on it. Honestly, I don't know that I would know that's AI generated. Technology's come in a really long ways. One more thing I want to try is, again, if you think back to if we're going to be selling a product or something like that, then let's use this narrative video. I want to see how this works. We'll take that image of her, remember, in the suit, and let's just say, hey guys, I found the craziest gadget for your setup. You have to check this out. And then for voice, oh yeah, I've used this before to mock my own voice.
So let's talk about the world around us. Every day the sun rises and sets.
That's my AI generated voice. Again, how long until I'm not even, is this even me on camera? Let's see, cheerful little sister. Let's hear.
This is my voice. I hope it brings something special to your amazing creation.
Hi there. This is my voice. Hi there. Hi there. This is my voice. I hope it brings something special to your amazing.
Hi there.
Hi there. This is my voice.
Hi there. This is my voice. I hope it brings something special.
Hi there. This is my voice.
Hi there.
Cheerful little sister. Okay, and we'll do one video here. Let's see how this goes. That's really good. I mean, the lip sync is really there. Head movement's really good. I mean, we just created a video for someone who doesn't exist.
Hey guys, I found the...
She can do her ponytail. I mean, we have a full influencer. Actually, this ponytail one I'm really impressed with. So, I mean, we have a full influencer. Anya, the original image, her in leather, her in her business suit, her drinking coffee. Remember, this is the face swap there. Her in Greece. So you can see this could be a full influencer right here. And let me know if you want me to keep going. I'm going to stop the video here because I think you can see from here, oh, I could create an Instagram account and just start uploading these photos, start getting followers. But let me know if you want me to take this business further. Like, subscribe, comment. Yes, please keep going. Do part 2. I know you guys have been liking series as I do them. Because there's more than just getting some images and some videos on social media to, creating a successful business. You have to find sponsors. You have to find affiliates. So let me know if you want to do that. Again, Proverbs 14:23, hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty. Don't think you're going to do any of these things and it's going to just be this easy, get rich quick type things. You have to be consistent. You have to have kind of a plan. And again, you can use AI. You can use Gemini to help put together a plan for how to turn this into a successful Instagram account or a successful TikTok account. But I'll leave a link down below for all these tools. Akool offering 50% off as well. They're all on sale right now for the holidays. And if you want full blueprints on how I would turn this into a successful business, you can check out the AI Income Builders Club. So this is a group of people who just really want to learn AI. They want to start AI businesses, start AI side hustles. And so we do a live call every Friday. I do a blueprint every Monday for how I'd start a business, in this way. This will probably be one of them, one of the blueprints that I'll be coming out with. But check out the links down below. Comment any thoughts you have. Again, people who are actually going to do this and actually going to start their own AI influencers, I would love to hear from you. Shoot me an email, comment down below. I appreciate you guys watching. I love what I do. I love checking out these tools every day. God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.